life. I can't swallow another slice. Seems like my shadow marks every stride. Can I learn to live with what's trapped inside? I can't escape myself.